Best Reusable Nespresso Pods Review. In this video, I'll share with you which is the best refillable Nespresso capsules in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval, and I'll share with you some of the features of this set of capsules that have made them so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use these pods. The one that made our list is the cafilas Reusable Coffee Pods. These capsules are made of high quality stainless steel and can be filled and cleaned perfectly with the supplied accessories. Now you're not limited to just the flavors offered by Nespresso. You can actually choose your favorite beans, grind them into powder, and use these capsules to make your favorite coffee while saving the environment at the same time. These capsules works with most Nespresso machines, including the INISSIA, PIXIE, and CITIZ series. Every set comes with a coffee powder scoop and an extra cleaning brush for easy maintenance. To check out the full specs of the cafilas reusable coffee pods and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/reusepods. Here's a quick video demo of how to use these pods. So there you have it, the cafilas reusable coffee pods. Considering how easy it is to use them, how easy it is to clean and maintain them, this set of refillable coffee capsules are the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of these coffee pods and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/reusepods. Alright, thank you for watching.